What's going on, guys? Tasker here, and in this video I will be covering a fun website. Um, but to start off, I want to say I've been real busy with school. Don't mind me moving around in my chair here, making all this, making all that noise. Um, I've been in school, so I've been writing a lot of papers and doing a lot of homework and a lot of writing. So I haven't been making videos very often because I don't want to half-ass the videos. So I like to make sure I have enough time to sit down, me and my keyboard and my microphone, and you know, do it that way. So I will be doing another video soon. I'm kind of running low on ideas. Well, not really, but because I don't have a lot of time, I'm trying to think of something that's really useful to learn, but kind of quick to teach. So I'm still thinking about that. You guys feel free to give me ideas. But anyways, I want to show you this website. That's what I'm here for. It's called codewars.com. And I don't know about you guys, but I've been in those moods where I'm like, I'm in the mood to program something, but I'm not sure what. And then sometimes I start stupid little projects and never finish them. And, sometimes I just need ideas. And this website is great for that. It's if you remember in school when you did math and you had to do the little word problems and convert it into solving a math problem. It's kind of like that, but with code on this website. And you sign up and stuff, and you can do it in a lot of languages. It's not just C sharp. You can do it in Java, JavaScript, Python, C++, all that stuff. It's a really fun site. I actually found out about it through a podcast I listened to. You guys should listen to it too. It's called Coding Blocks, codingblocks.net. The best podcast for programming I have ever listened to. Like, I sincerely, don't leave the video, but right after this video, go check them out. They are the greatest podcast. And they even have their own little clan on here. It's a coding clan, so it's actually pretty cool. You can just join. Anybody can join. You don't really got to get invited or anything. But anyways, to move on and show you guys what I'm talking about here, you do these things called katas. I hope I'm saying that right. And when you go to these, you have an 8 through 1 or 1 through 8. 1 being the hardest, 8 being the easiest. So we have all of these, and you get different problems, and you can see which ones sound interesting to you. I'm going to go to my profile real quick to show you guys. Let's go to kata. Okay, so then, you like I said, you have different levels. So then here's like a 6 I did where you have to find an odd integer, simple fun phone call, mumbling, decode the Morse code, and all these cool little fun ones. So I'll show you decode the Morse code. So basically we had this giant word problem here, and it basically gave you an idea on how to decode Morse code. And then I'll go to solutions here where you can see everybody's solution. So you can see other people's answers to it too, and it actually helps you learn. This one is the most upvoted one, so this is the most clever one, kind of using a lot of link there. And then I can go to my solution. Mine's not as pretty, guys. So here we go. We got, basically what I did is I did a regex split. I had a split at a certain amount of spaces, broke it up, looped through, created a new message, and returned it. So basically that's how I ended up solving that problem. But yeah, there's a lot of problems you can do. Yeah, so regex too. And another thing you got to remember is you got to actually add in these using statements. You don't get IntelliSense. So a lot of it you either got to remember or you can, cheat. Go on Google to kind of remember a namespace you need to use. And all that. And it's also using Mono, I think 4.2.3 for the framework. Yeah. So yeah, there's that. But anyways, I was thinking maybe I'll go through one with you guys, and I was thinking maybe, since I'm not doing a lot of videos, perhaps I could do maybe once a week, maybe every Friday, record going through one of these problems, and you guys can follow along, kind of follow my train of thought when I'm figuring something out. But I figured I would at least start with something easy. So we're going to go over here to kata. And I'm going to do a really easy one because really it's 8 o'clock at night. I just got done writing I think about 5 pages of this paper I'm finishing, and I'm just finishing up my 3rd cup of coffee, and I'm running out of energy. So you can tell my brain's really shutting down here. So we'll do an easy one. remove exclamation marks. Let's try that out. And then basically here we get a description. So write function remove exclamation marks, which removes all exclamation marks from a given string. That sounds like a damn piece of cake. So let's try that out. It's a good coffee. All right. So basically what we do is we start off here. This is our... Okay guys, sorry. I started doing the video and then I cut it because my dog came barking in, or well, came in and itched his ear and started whining and stuff, so I had to kind of scrap it, so I'm starting over. Okay, so basically what we have here, I'm going to start from the beginning. So basically what we have here is we get a public static string, remove exclamation point. So this is what is being called, and we're being passed a parameter string. Now if you're not familiar with unit tests, down here we have some unit tests. And essentially what this is doing is this is providing certain values to this method, and then it is expecting a certain value. So here it sends us an empty string, it's expecting an empty string, sends us an exclamation point and 2 exclamation points, both are expecting empty strings. And this is because we are removing all exclamation points. So then we have hi with an exclamation point, return hi, exclamation point, question mark. Yep, so we return question mark. So really, if you don't understand the word problems, because sometimes I'm not good with word problems, you can kind of look down here at the test, see what it's giving you, see what it's expecting. Sometimes you can figure it out, but we're only at an 8, so it shouldn't be too difficult here. So we're going to essentially return the value. So let's say, for example, I said return return poo poo. Okay, and I hit run examples. What's going to happen is it's going to say uh-oh. It's going to say we have a test error. It's going to say it was expecting an empty string, but was poo-poo. So it was expecting an empty string, but it was given the value of poo-poo. So, and it also tell you here, expected string length was 0, but instead it was returned a string with a length of 8. You know, so we can kind of get an idea here. This seems like it's actually going to be pretty easy because we're using .NET here. So we could just say s dot replace. We'll do what, exclamation point, and we'll replace it with a string dot empty. Right? It'll probably be that easy. Let's say run examples here. All tests passed. Okay, so that was kind of that was a little too easy. Let's see if we can do it the hard way. Well, actually, first let me mention, once you do run examples, okay, it'll let you know if these passed. But sometimes they have further tests that are a little more complicated, and you don't get to see those. So you better hope you made it the right way. And then once we hit attempt, it'll actually do the further tests. And of course we pass. So we get a nice green here. Impressive, yeah. Okay, so I wonder if we can do this a harder way for the sake of doing it harder. Nah, we'll leave it easy for now. Yeah, so we did S replace and we just replaced it. Now I submit my final. And okay, so here we go. Oh, I ranked up to a 6 from replacing a string. Woo! Damn, I am smart. No wonder you guys follow me, huh? Okay. Yeah, so then here you get to see everybody else's solutions. Oh, some people did do it a little more complicated here. We had one guy, what did he do? He made a string builder output, looped through the entire string, replaced the character exclamation point, appended it to the output, checked for 0, returned an empty, returned... Whoa! Damn. And then everybody else kind of did it a little more simple there. But here, ooh, look, he did a... See, I don't like that. You just did an empty string. Psh, boy! You need to go over here to clever. What? How is that clever? That's just annoying. Look at that, using link to then. That's just annoying. I don't know if I even like that. Let's go to my solutions. I think, yeah, look at that. Oof, boy. Just did a string dot empty. No empty strings over here. No empty quotes over here. Just a string dot empty. That's how you do it, guys. Yeah. Well, anyways, I don't know. I'm being ridiculous now. But yeah, so that's really it. I mean, that's not it. They get a little more complicated, as I'll show. Go over here to my view profile. Go to kata. Why doesn't it say level 6? I just ranked up. Lying bastards. Yeah, so let's go to buying car. I don't know which ones I will and will not be embarrassed of. Let's go to dubstep. That one was interesting. Yeah, so basically here I got lyrics that had wub, 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 wub all mixed into the string, and then I had to filter it out to get the actual lyrics of a song. We'll go to solutions, and I believe I hope I did that. Let's go to my solutions. I'm pretty sure I did. As you see, 27 other people did it too. Yep. So literally we all did like the same exact thing. Kind of, to see, that's the problem with using C# and the framework and stuff is, you know, other people like in Python and stuff, like, you know, I don't know, we have little cheats. Like I can just do regex replace wub, you know, and then trim off the extra space. So it's a little cheaty, I think, but you know, it's a good way to really figure out how to compact your code into something better and more concise. And that's why I like it too, is sometimes let me go back. Sometimes, let me go back again. There we go. Which ones were maybe? I think find the odd in. I don't know if I already showed that because I had to cut the video earlier because of my dog. But we'll go to solutions. Yeah, so we'll go to my solutions. Yeah. Well, anyways, yeah, so I did all this, like, I'm not very proud of this, guys. I'm not proud of it. But then you go over here to clever. What? Clever. All solutions, because I don't think a lot of people did this one. Yeah. And then you go down, you see this guy. Look at that. That is beautiful. I don't know if I like the link, like, straight from method to link. I don't know if I'm a fan of that. But yeah, like, look at how, you know, you can kind of learn from other people, and that's one thing I like about this website. But anyways, yeah, you guys should really check it out if you haven't just X'd out of my video yet to go, you know, go have fun on it. But yeah, it's really fun. Let me know what you guys think. I've been thinking about perhaps doing one video a week. One video a week, and maybe like I'll pick a hard problem and try and solve it. And you guys can kind of watch me go through the process of thinking through a problem and finding out how to solve it. You know, don't get too excited though. It might not be as as entertaining as you may think, because yeah, I'm a bit of a different thinker. I usually take the I usually always take the harder route, and then I find out there was a completely easier way to do it. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do that, because I think that would be interesting, because since I can't, sometimes I don't really, because of school, I don't have a lot of time on my hands to make a full video. I could maybe still just do smaller videos, like going through one of these code problems. Like I'll pick a pretty decently hard one, and you can kind of watch me think through it and stuff like that. Yeah, so let me know. But I just really wanted to show you guys this website because it's super duper fun. Super duper fun. And I just leveled up. Yay. Okay. Well, you know, I'll see you guys around. Leave comments, likes, you know, all that fun jazzy stuff. And by the way, you can donate to me on PayPal if you go on my website. I do like to buy coffee in the morning for school. See you guys.